In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color on a Confluence table. This guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can easily customize your tables to suit your aesthetic or make important data stand out. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you should have Confluence open and be on your home page. Once you're there, the next step is to select the workspace you want to work with. Workspaces in Confluence are where you organize your content into related areas, so make sure you're in the right one to find the page you intend to edit. After selecting your workspace, navigate to the specific page that contains the table you wish to modify. This is your opportunity to ensure you're working the correct document, so double-check if necessary. The next thing you need to do is click on Edit in the top right corner of the page. This action will enable editing mode, allowing you to make the changes you want to the table. Once you're in edit mode, go to the table you want to change. Click somewhere inside the table cell, and you'll notice that a toolbar appears below it. This toolbar is very handy, offering a variety of options to enhance your table's appearance and functionality. One of the buttons you'll see in this toolbar is for changing the cell background color. Click on the button labeled Cell Background. This will present you with a palette of color options. Now all you have to do is pick a color that aligns with the look you're going for, or one that helps accentuate specific information within your table. Choosing the right color can add clarity and visual appeal to your data presentation. For instance, you might opt for pastel shades to keep things subtle or bold colors to highlight important information. Remember, it's not just about aesthetics, but also enhancing readability and focus. That's all there is to it. Once you've selected your preferred color, you can see how it changes the look of your table right away. After you're satisfied with the updates, you simply need to save the changes. Navigate to the top of the screen and click Publish or Save, depending on your Confluence version. This action will finalize your edits, making your newly colored table visible to everyone who can access that page. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to personalize your Confluence tables. Whether you're using it for project management, reporting, or any other purpose, adding a splash of color can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.